All right, STEM friends, not for lack of effort. I really like the idea of building from scratch a shake table, and it worked. But I thought putting more weights on would make it work better, and that really just killed the battery. I looked online. The cost of these batteries between $5 and $10, and I figured I'd be through several because the kids really like this activity.
Yes.
And strong. That is amazing. That's 10 seconds. And I want to keep it going. And I stumbled across something a little better. I found this motor on Amazon for $26. And it's got a plug, so I don't have to buy a battery. And the power is adjustable. The description of this motor says it's made for like the 4D movie experience. So you can attach this to the bottom of a seat, which is pretty crazy. Anything that moves has an electric motor in it, and this one has a special weight that's lopsided, which causes it to vibrate by spinning around unevenly. And this motor from Amazon is actually two motors moving at the same time. So I just found some old screws, drilled some skinny little holes there, and I attached it to the bottom of the center of the platform. And as for the surface, we obviously don't need those dividers anymore or the hole in the top. So I just simplified everything with some caution duct tape from Amazon, 4 screws, and string. Now we can test multiple towers at the same time. Still using the basic model on the bottom here with the tubes from the laminating machine. I like to have the tubes here in case the motor, for whatever reason, fails. You can just fall back to that. And I put rubber bands in the center here to get a better grip on the platform. And I put them on the end so the tubes don't slide. And then I went ahead and tried 2 more tubes going that way, which gives it a cool circular motion. But with the new motor being so successful, I don't think I even need the rollers anymore. So we can just platform on top of the frame. And the rubber bands are just there to keep it from sliding too far. They're not even tight. I'm keeping it loose so it has some freedom to move.